Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you a quick and easy way to add the Merge Shape tool to your PowerPoint. This tool is super helpful for creating custom shape and unique design. So let's start the video. First, to add the Merge Shape option, you can go to File at the top left, then click Option, and from there, select the Customize ribbon. Now you will see a window with two sections. On the right, you will find a list of ribbon tabs such as Home, Insert, and more. Decide where you want the Merge Shape option to appear. I recommend adding it to the Home tab for easy access, or create a new tab. Then click on New tab. Here, you can change the name by clicking on Rename. Then OK. In the left pane, click the drop-down next to Choose Command From and select All Commands. Now scroll down to find Merge Shape. Once you find it, click to highlight it. With Merge Shape selected, click the Add button to add it to the tab you choose on the right. You will see it appear under your selected tab in the list. Finally, click OK to save your changes. And there it is. The Merge Shape option is now ready to use on your ribbon. For example, let's add two shapes. Select both and go to tab and try using Merge Shape. And that's it. You have successfully added the Merge Shape tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.